Hi everybody, it's Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. So, this is just a little quick tip for you today. How many of you have received a package like this from Stampin' Up? They have gone to this to help with shipping costs instead of boxes. Some people still get boxes, but this one they put into the, I forget what they call them, smashed bubble bags. They are bubbly. But there is a trick to opening them. You can cut, along the edges, but you do run the risk then of possibly cutting into your product. Now, they only use these usually for flat-based products, but let me show you how you open it. If you look, you're going to find this one is like really off, but usually it's not quite this much of a difference, but you will find an edge, and you just pull. And well, I didn't say it was easy, nor am I going to tell you I like this version of opening packages. I really don't. I'm going to be perfectly honest. But it does save money. So there you go. And then your product pops right out of the package. So, ta-da! So the good news is if you have something to send, you can save this and it will kind of re-stick to itself if you need to put something in a container and you want it to stay bubble wrapped. So there you go. That's how that works. Simple, right? Bye.